Hello guys, welcome. So today we are going to be coding a website. Just need to get ready for it. Boom. So this is part 1. There will be part 2 or part 3. The thing that's part 2 or part 3 is that we're going to be adding sign up or login page. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoy. Now let's start building it. So we're going to be starting about building. I want to see you opening the HTML files. So what is this? Oh, it's shell stuff. PowerShell. So where it is? Tutorial website. So I'm gonna delete this. So now I bet you have installed Bootstrap. If you want a tutorial for how to install Bootstrap, it's easy. So first you're going to be going to Bootstrap. Also, if you don't want to type Bootstrap, the link to download will be in the description. So now let's start with our video. So if you don't know how to install, just type Bootstrap download and click at the first link, and if you click here it will be downloaded. It will be as a RAR file, and inside the RAR file there will be some bootstrap.js stuff. I want you to create a folder that is asset and put bootstrap.min inside it. Okay, so let's start doing the website. So the first thing is we need bootstrap examples. Bootstrap examples. So we need bootstrap examples, and then we're going to be editing it. I mean, how will we make? So there's every single examples like navbar static, navbar fixed, jumbotron grid, sticky footer, navbar, dashboard, block, everything is here. Alright, and we have to choose. I don't know, you can choose whatever you want. Like cover? I think no, not cover. Sticky footer? No. I think jumbotron is much better, right? So we are going to be choosing jumbotron. Look, it has an so you have to click inspect, and then as you can see, HTML length, you have to copy element, and then click X, and then go here, Control V, and it will copy everything. Let's name it my channel. So let's do Arben. Okay, so this is navbar. It's going to be navbar. I mean, we're going to be adding sign up, but disabled thing, as you can see, there is a disabled thing over here. Do you want to enable it? Well, enabling it is so easy. You're going to be typing enabled. Alright, and it will enable. Should we try? Should we? Oh, we need the bootstrap code. So go to bootstrap code. I think it won't show you, so yeah, it's not showing you the code. So go to home and go download again. It won't download, don't worry. So click copy to clipboard and then go down, scroll down over here and control V, paste it. All HTML has to be over here. And now let's check if it's working. Yes, it is working. So we typed over here enabled, and now it enabled itself. Did you see it? But if we type over here disabled, it will disable. Now look at this. So this is enabled. So now let's type disabled. Control S to save it. And as you can see, we cannot click it. Also, you can do for these pages. This is the search button. Let's say hello world, and it won't work. We have to add something to the search button. So hello world. This is a temp. So now let's do what is then yeah, it is a YouTube programming channel that has 25 subscribers. This video is for this video is how to code a website. I hope you enjoy. To like and subscribe. Yeah, that's it. Also, you can add. Don't copy what am I doing. I'm doing different things. I mean, I'm doing what is Arbenunlu. You can do different things instead of copying what am I doing. Also, we can do here yeah. And now what should we do? Right, we have to do this navbar thing. Okay, so navbar home link let's do this. So what do you want to, so this disabled link is going to be, what do you want to do, disabled or enabled? I will do enabled, and I will type over here enabled. Oops, enabled. Yes, we did. Now as you can see, it's enabled, so we can click it. Also the link, so this link thing will be the link for my website. So let's type YouTube there and go to my history, I think this. What was like video? Watch later. Oh, my videos. Okay. Here I have 25 subscribers. Oops, sorry, I forgot. So this. So now let's copy this thing. And let's do like this. Navbar link. So why are we typing over here navbar link? So it enables you to type a link over here. Navbar item tells that it's a navbar item. I mean, it's going to be staying the navbar. So let's add the link, this thing, and now did we control S? No, we didn't. So now let's click like this, and it will go to my website. It will go to my YouTube channel. Just let me check. Okay. The thing that we are going to be doing is we're going to be creating a login page. So this drop down will be my popular videos that I got a lot of views on it. Like this is a popular video that got a lot of
CSS.
Oh. Like this. Now I'm recording on this. First I was recording on Bandicam. Now I'm recording on OBS Studio. Now this is gonna be my second popular video. My second popular video. Like this, and then let's name this drop down my popular channel list. Alright, let's start my popular channel list with it. So now let's see who can we
CSS.
This is not an CSS video, but at that time I was a beginner. I didn't know what was CSS or HTML. Now this is going to be my first popular video. Okay. So, oops, did I delete the file? File HTML website for school. This was school website. My teachers had to do a project. Oh no. What is it? alright tutorial website, and here it is. Here it is. We can open the link on a new tab. We can cut that thing.
With you. Today we're gonna do is CSS. So you can just type in the ads when you see just type wix.com and you'll get a free website. But today we're gonna create a website with program.
4 likes. I'm gonna check. 6 likes. 6 likes. 6 likes. Let's see this.
Bootstrap, and I'm gonna show
Okay,
what does Bootstrap does.
Yeah.
So
we can take this. Let's copy this and do it my third popular video. Okay, so my third popular video. Let's see how much. Oh, only 3 minutes. So let's copy this link and like type my year. No. Yeah, I will. That's it. Then now let's do view the channel, and also let's do Control V, view the channel. So as we're doing it. So guys, bye bye, goodbye. I hope you enjoyed the video. The second part is going to be, I think if I have time I will record the second part. I hope you enjoy. In the next video we are going to be adding sign up page, login page, and we're going to be filling these things. I hope you enjoy. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.